How to connect PS5 controller to phone. How to connect your PS5 DualSense controller to your Android or iPhone in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your PS5 controller and make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on. Go to your phone's settings, Bluetooth, and keep that page open. Step 2. Now on your PS5 controller, press and hold the PlayStation button and the Create button at the same time. Keep holding them until the light bar starts flashing blue. That means your controller is in pairing mode. Step 3. On your phone, look under Available Bluetooth devices. You'll see something like Wireless Controller or DualSense Controller. Tap on it to connect. Step 4. Once connected, the light on your controller turns solid and you're good to go. You can now play supported games, emulators, or use it for remote play. Step 5. Optional tip. If your controller doesn't show up, turn Bluetooth off and back on, or restart your phone, then try